Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to start dictionary. Okay, dictionary. So, dictionary is a collection of multiple values. It is a collection of multiple value. Okay, and these values are mutable. These values are mutable. Okay, just like list, just like tuple, we can store multiple value in dictionary also. Then my question is, why we need dictionary? क्यों डिक्शनरी हमको चाहिए? जब लिस्ट है, टपल है, जिसमें हम मल्टीपल वैल्यू को स्टोर कर सकते हैं, तो हमको डिक्शनरी की जरूरत क्यों है? व्हाई वी नीड डिक्शनरी व्हेन वी हैव लिस्ट एंड टपल? सो इन लिस्ट एंड टपल index is given by index is provided by Python. Who provides the index? Provided by system. Okay, you can say system or you can say Python. That means the by default index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This kind of index is provided by the system. Suppose I create a list L equal to 2, 3, 4. So Python automatically provides the index 0, 1, 2. Suppose if I create a tuple t equal to 2, 3, 6. So again it will provide an index 0, 1, 2. But I do not want this index. I want my own index. मुझे अपना index देना है. Then in that case, I will use dictionary. When we will use dictionary? When we want to give our own index. Own index. So dictionary is a collection of multiple value. Dictionary is a collection of multiple values, and these values are mutable. Like list, these values are mutable, and these values are stored in key and value pair. Key and value pair. Okay, this key is index here. This key is index here. It doesn't have index 0, 1, 2, 3. It has the index which I given as key. Okay, so one value in a dictionary is enclosed in curly braces, then key colon we write value. Okay, फिर comma again key colon value and so on. So these key, this is one key, this is one key. These keys should not be same in a dictionary, because these keys are the index of the dictionary. Okay, so we will never make these keys similar. Keys should be always different. Value may be similar, but key cannot be similar. So key is the index here. की डिक्शनरी में हमारा क्या है? इंडेक्स है. सो की नेवर रिपीटेड. की कभी रिपीट नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके, लेट्स मेक आवर डिक्शनरी. Okay, so to create a dictionary, I told you we will use curly braces. D equal to, so I am going to create a dictionary. Okay, suppose I create a dictionary name colon. So suppose I have given the name Ravi colon comma, the next key is age comma colon 50. So in this way you can give key and value. Okay, so now my dictionary has created. I had stored multiple value. मैंने इसमें दो वैल्यू स्टोर की है, नेम और एज, इन अ वन हेड दैट नेम इज डी. So dictionary is stored to multiple value in a single head. Okay, so it stores the value in format key and value format. Okay, each key and value is a single unit, and next unit is separated by comma. Okay, and dictionary stores heterogeneous values. You can see here Ravi is a string and 50 is a number. So dictionary stores heterogeneous values like list. Dictionary stores heterogeneous values. Tuple also store heterogeneous values. The difference is only that in list the index is given by system. The index starts from 0 and goes up to n. But in dictionary, index is given by the programmer और by the dictionary maker. जो dictionary बना रहा है वो इसको index provide कर रहे हैं. Okay, next. So that, as I told you कि dictionary, in dictionary key is the index. So key should be unique. Key should not never be repeated. Key को कभी repeat नहीं होना चाहिए. Suppose just see, if I repeat the key, what will happen? Okay, suppose if I say this is my, I copy this. Okay, now next I say name. Again I give name key and I say name is Amit. Okay, so you can see here this is one key, this is one key, but both the name of the both key is same. So if you run this command, what will happen? So name equal to Amit. That means this is overwritten. This first key is overwritten by the second. So that's why I told you कि you will never make two keys same. Otherwise, second key will be available, first key will be not available. So first will be, first उसने name रवि इक्वल टू क्रिएट किया, नेक्स्ट टाइम नेम की वैल्यू अमित हो गई तो रवि को उसने डिलीट वहां से अपडेट कर दिया. So you will never make two keys same. The next is key should be immutable. की एक बात और ध्यान रखनी है, key should always be immutable. keys को हमेशा immutable बनाना है. What? Suppose t equal to, I can make a number as a key. Okay, one key value है 1. Okay, it is correct. You can see dictionary can be created. Okay, t equal to, suppose because number is immutable, if I say tuple here 2, 3, okay, and its value is Amit. Okay, so you can see here the key is this 2 and 3 is tuple and tuple is immutable. So okay, you can see a dictionary has created. But if I use a list here, okay, then what will happen? You see d equal to dictionary and I say 2, 3. Now this is a list and list is yes, list is mutable. So dictionary will not create it because a key should be unique and a key of the dictionary should always immutable in nature. So that when we make a key, okay children, when we make a key, one thing, two thing keep in mind, key should be unique. Okay, always key should be unique, never repeat the key in the same dictionary. Next, key should be immutable. Immutable. That means you can use a integer, you can use a string, you can use a tuple for key, but you cannot use list. Never use list for making key. Okay, is it clear? So key is the very important part of dictionary and key is the index of dictionary and key is the index. Okay, so to access the element in list we use the index. Suppose L equal to 239. Suppose I want to access this 2, then how I will write L 0. I want to see the element at 0 index, so it will give you 2. Okay, so we use the index because the index of 2 is 0, this index is 1 and this index is 2. So we write L 0. But in dictionary, key is the index. Okay, so suppose d equal to name. Okay, so this is the key and its value is Ravi. Okay, next is age. So age is the key and its value is 30. So to access any value, we will use key. So we will write like this: d name, d name. Okay, so d name, this is the key, and when we will access this, it will give you Ravi. Okay, if I say d age, so it will give you 30 because age is 30 here. Is it clear to all? Okay. So to access any elements, we use key. Let's see this practically. Suppose I create a dictionary d equal to, I take this one, d equal to, okay, let's create d equal to name is Ravi, Ravi, okay, comma, one more class, he is in class 12, okay, comma, age, is age. We will use this example, okay. So now see, now D has a dictionary. Suppose I want to access Ravi. So how we will write D name? I want to see the name. So I will access the key. D name. What it will give you? It will give you Ravi. So you can see here that key is the index of a dictionary. The next thing I told you that dictionary is mutable in nature. Means you can change the value. Suppose here name is Ravi and you want to change this Ravi from Raja. Okay, so you can change. How you will change? D name, D name equal to what I told you, Raja. Okay, so D name Raja. Okay, so now see the dictionary. So now dictionary has changed. List we can change and dictionary we can change. So dictionary is mutable in nature. By using any key, you can change the value of that key. Okay, but key should be, keep this thing in your mind, key should be unique and key should be immutable in nature. Okay, and a dictionary cannot have two same keys. Okay, that is mean that key is unique. Okay, the now dictionary is unordered collection like list. We have 0 1 2 3 4 5 index, but in dictionary we do not have such index 0 1 2 3 4 index, because in dictionary index is given by the programmer. We are giving index here. My first index is name, my second index is class, my next index is age. So the index is given by us. Okay, so in dictionary is unordered collection. Okay, children. Now what we have next? How you will create a dictionary. Okay, there are various methods to create a dictionary. The first method is to use curly braces and provide the value in form of key and value. This I told you in this example. Okay, see this example. What I have done in this example: key, value, key, value. You just put enter here. This dictionary has created. You can see here. Yes or no? Now, if I write like this, d equal to this way, so it will create a empty dictionary which has no element. Okay. So to create a dictionary, you can use curly braces and you can give the value in form of key and value. There is one constructor method is also there. This one function is also there, that is known as DICT function. By using DICT function, we can create a dictionary also. Okay, so how we will create? Just see, D equal to, I say DICT. Okay, so what I will give you a name. How we will write? Name equal to Ravi. Name equal to Ravi. Okay, name equal to Ravi. Correct the spelling. Name equal to Ravi, comma, age equal to 20. Okay, suppose I give only two values. Just see. So when I provide two values, name equal to Ravi and age equal to 20, when I provide two arguments to this, then it will automatically convert into key and value format. So by using dict constructor, we can create a dictionary. There are multiple methods to create a dictionary using dict function. One method is list of tuple. We can provide a list of tuple. What do we list of tuple? List of tuple means, suppose d equal to suppose dict function is there. So I provide a list of tuple. Okay, so this is a list, and in this list we have many tuples. Okay, suppose this is a tuple and this is a tuple. I give the value here, list of tuple. So I give the value, suppose table comma 30. We have 30 tables. Okay, comma chair 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 equal to chair comma 90. So there are two tuples. This is one tuple, this is another tuple, and these two tuples are enclosed in a list. So it is a list of tuples, and I provided this list of tuple to dict function. Just see what it will happen. So it will convert this into a dictionary. Okay, children. So this is first method to create a dictionary. This is the first method to create a dictionary, simplest one. This is this is the dict function, dict function, or you can say constructor method, by which we can create a dictionary. Okay, so here we can give such arguments, and we can give a list of tuple. We can give tuple of tuple. Okay, we can give tuple of tuple also, list of list also. Suppose again I copy this, I make it list of list. Okay, list of list. Now this is not tuple, I make it list of list. Okay, I change this program, list of list. देखो मैंने इसको लिस्ट ऑफ लिस्ट बना दिया अभी, दिख रहा है आप लोगों को, लिस्ट ऑफ लिस्ट. ओके, just enter D. So whatever you provide dict function, it will automatically convert it into a dictionary key and value pair. Okay, we can use one more thing, zip function also. In zip function we can provide two tuples. In first tuple we have keys, and in second tuple we have values. Suppose how, d equal to, I to say dict and dict को मैं बंद किया. Now I use zip function here. zip function को हम दो tuple provide करेंगे. So I make two tuples here, comma one more tuple here. Okay, so first tuple में मेरा है suppose abc. Okay, I give abc. Okay, so a, first value is a, comma second value is b, comma third value is c. So these are my keys, and the values are 20, comma 50, comma 90. So I given three values. So what the function will do, the function associate a with 20, b with 50, and c with 90. Just see. Now I print d. So by using zip function you can club first key with first value. So a is associated with 20, b with 50, and c with 90. By this way we can create the dictionary. Okay, now next is we can travel in the dictionary also, like like list, like tuple, like string, we can travel in dictionary also. So suppose travel in dictionary. So travel means to move from one element to last element. Suppose I told you in list, suppose L equal to some values is there 2, 3, 9, and I make a loop for I in L. I told you this in the previous classes. So print I. So it will give you 2, 3 and 9. In the same way, we can move in the dictionary also. How? Suppose D equal to, suppose it is a dictionary, D equal to A, A colon 20, comma B colon 60, comma C colon 90. Okay. So for I in D, for I in D. So when I say print I here, so first it will take this index, next time it will take this index, next time it will take this index. So it will print the index. That means key. Index is here key. So it will print A, B, C. अगर मैं सिंपल लिखूंगा फॉर आई इन डी, देन आई की फर्स्ट वैल्यू होगी ए, फिर आई की नेक्स्ट वैल्यू होगी बी, फिर आई की नेक्स्ट वैल्यू होगी आपकी सी. ओके, बट आई वांट टू प्रिंट वैल्यू. So how I will write? For I in D, for I in D. Now I will write here print D and I. Okay. So if I write this DI, that means D डिक्शनरी में I इंडेक्स, I means I की वैल्यू तो की होगी, उस की में क्या वैल्यू है वो वैल्यू प्रिंट हो जाएगी. लेट्स सी दिस प्रैक्टिकली आल्सो. Okay, suppose this is my dictionary. I take this dictionary. I will not make dictionary here. I will use this dictionary. Okay. Now for I in D. Okay. And now suppose I say print I. Print I. So what it will give you? If I say print I, so it will give you keys. Just see. Name, class and age. Okay. So when we make a loop in a dictionary, it will move through keys. Okay. But if you want to get values, how you will write? Suppose same loop for I in D, print D, print D and I here. Print D I. Okay. Print D I. Now you see values are printed. You can print I comma di, so value will be printed as well as key will be printed. So in this way we can travel in a dictionary. Okay children, in the next class we will learn some functions of dictionary. Okay children, so go through this video, see my previous videos on list and tuples, and then you can better understand dictionary. Okay, thank you.